I'm going to cream my sugar and butter. Right, so here I have my cream, butter and sugar mixture, and now I'm going to add my egg. 4 eggs, one at a time. And now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of essence, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And now I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. See? And here I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Hennessy. So here I have 4 cups of flour, sift, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt already sift. And I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. So I'm just adding part by part, so I won't get any clumps. Next. So I just put it in my cupcake tray, and I just garnish it with cherry, and now I'm going to put it to bake for about 20 minutes. So this is my finished Hennessy cupcake. So I'm just leaving it to cool down a little bit, and I'll cut it one to show you the inside. Right, so this is my Hennessy cake, sponge cake. It's really nice and moist. My little cherry inside. So it come like a little surprise when you cut into it. So this is my final product of my Hennessy sponge cake.